Hi there, it's George here. Guess what I have to do today? Well, I ordered it from eBay. This one. Here is a heating mat that will help my plants or seeds to grow more beautiful, especially the seeds, and they will have heating system and they will germinate more fast. And this package arrived in 3 weeks, quite fast for me. And we have to do an unboxing video and see what's inside. Then I will put the thermometer above the heating mat and will see the temperatures. I had in the past one of these things, but I don't know what is wrong with it. It doesn't work. So I decided to buy another one, and this one, it should work. And we'll see. Let's check out. Well, here we go. So looking this heating mat, which I will have to open. And this time I ordered it more a big size. Here is the cable. So look what size is nice. I have to place it on the floor, and then these things will disappear. It's really. I'm really happy that arrived this and will help my plants. Well, now we have to plug this and we'll see if it will work for me. Let's try for it. So I put it on the floor, as you can see here. Because all my tables are full with plants, I have no space. But anyway, let's check it out here on the floor. Well, as you can see here, I have around 17 degrees and 6 kind of, and I didn't plug it yet, and after that we will see how the temperature will grow for sure. Let's see. So I have to plug it, and in a short time it should grow the temperatures. Let's try. Well, after 5 minutes I put this, it started to grow temperature, which is good. It's a little warm already, but that's not all. I think we should wait yet. Well, here we go. Let's see an update. Now it's around almost 20 degrees on this heat mat. You know what? I decided to do an experiment, and I have a small baby banana plant that I planted, but with a few root system, and the plant doesn't look very happy, and even it is cold in my room, does not grow at all. And anyway, we have to try this. Put this banana plant above this heat mat, but we will have to put under a small greenhouse, and I chose this plastic bottle, as you can see, and I will put this banana plant into this, and we'll see how will grow. I think it should start to grow. For sure I will do update videos, and I will never already plug out this heat mat, and just let's add it here. Well, and as well the thermometer I will add here. As you can see, it's 20 degrees already, and just add it here. You will see after half an hour or 1 hour, we'll see how much temperature inside, and we'll have to put this. Then we'll have to wait. Interesting. But that's not all. You can see the seeds. Microplants. Well, I have to germinate them. Let's try to do this. Well, as you can see, I put this stuff, and during when I put it, the temperatures inside growing, as you can see, almost 21 degrees. And after I will sow these seeds, it will grow more temperatures here. And that is good. Let's do that. But first we will spray. Now let's try to sow these seeds. But now let's cover the seeds. Well, we should wait germination. It's quite warm already, it's nice, and should germinate these seeds in a few days, we will see. And for sure I will do an update video, stay tuned on my channel. And here I hope this banana will start to grow, but we'll see. And as well I have to put another plants which I consider like growing very slow and even do not grow in this cold room like what I have now in end of autumn, you know. Anyway, well, has been one day and let's see an update. Here as you can see the temperature is 23 degrees and 4. That is nice, and you know, I hope this banana plant will recover. And here I planted these seeds of microplants, and as you can see the water drops already. It's working for me, and I definitely will show you an update when these seeds will germinate in a few days. Let's see what's inside. We have to take care to water this napkin at the time, I mean to spray, and then we'll germinate for sure. And so excited to see the germination process. As well, I can put some plants, another plants, to do an experiment with another plants like papaya, because papaya, it is very hard to grow in winter time, and I don't want to lose papaya, and I will have to put one of them here and take care of it. And then should start growing, because mine papayas already stopped growing because of a cold. I will see update here. As you can see, water drops, as you can see here already. That is a good sign. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and for sure I will make another video update, so stay tuned. You can subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. And have an amazing day. See you later. Bye bye.